Hi, in this video, let me show you how to fix in case your FPD television has a black screen and even if you press the power button on the remote control, nothing is working. Even if you press the power button under it, nothing happens. It just stays black. So the first thing when this is happening, what I suggest is you go unplug the TV from your wall outlet. Once it is unplugged, we have to do a few things. Go in the back of the TV and disconnect all the devices that are connected, okay? Absolutely everything should go. Maybe one of these is causing the problem and it's not compatible and that's why your TV has a black screen. So right now I'm removing the TV antenna, but if you have anything in this USB port or anything in the HDMI ports, okay, simply unplug them. Next, we're going to find the power button on this FPD television. The power button is located in the middle under the TV. You're going to keep your finger press on it during 20 seconds. So count in your head 20 seconds and then release. Maybe your TV has a power button on the left side or the right side. Mine is in the middle. Okay, so after pressing 20 seconds, I suggest you leave the TV unplugged for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes has passed, go ahead and connect it. Try connecting your TV directly into a wall outlet. Maybe the problem was your power bar and wasn't able to deliver enough power to your TV. So try plugging the TV directly into a wall outlet. I'll do it here because I know this power bar works, so I don't have any issues with it. Once the TV is plugged, turn it on using the button, not the remote control. So press once on the button and the TV should start. And usually after about a minute, 2 minutes, you'll be able to use it. Fortunately, your black screen will go away. I'll have maybe to press again on the power button. Maybe it was a bit too soon. Here we go. Now it's starting up. So fortunately for you too, you will be able to see the FPD logo. Thanks for watching. If you found another solution or if this solution worked, type a comment in the section down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to know that it worked, or if you have other tips, leave them as well. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.